Good evening, everybody. So let me quickly take us through what variable means, then how to print variable. Now we are talking about variable. Variable is just like a bank that you store your data. For example, now quick example, like you want to store your name in variable, it's going to be something like your name will be equal to, then you add the quotation mark. My name is the admin. Let me just simply write the admin. Then you go to the second page, you print that the admin. Note that if you are printing variable, you don't need to add quotation mark, because if you add quotation mark, for example, now if I say name, it's going to print name because I'm telling him to print what is inside that quotation mark. But we are not printing that, so let's just eradicate that quotation mark. Then we just write name inside that bracket only. You print the admin. Now I want to add another word to this the admin, then I can use quotation mark, like my name is then I print it. Oh, there's an error. My name is okay. I'll now put it into bracket again. Chai, ow. Okay. My name is, then we're supposed to have name now. Well, the string is not correct. So let's print name only first. Let's check another variable. If you want to save something like a number, like let's say age, you want to save your age, you do not need to add quotation mark to your age. Age is a number, age goes directly, then print age. You see, automatically the admin, then 20. There's no way to increase this thing. You see now, the admin, then 20. Then let's try another variable. Let's say something like, let's save all our details first, then let's add comment. Variable. Now name, the admin. What is your input? What is your name? Then okay, let's try what I just saw. Print my name is then you put another comma outside. Abi, name, good. Now we have everything that we want. What we are missing in the first one is just one comma and stuff like that. So let's go. Age did not need any quotation mark because age is number. Department, then department is cyber security. Sorry, we need quotation mark there. Cyber security, why like this? Security. Then we have favorite food. Just food. Let's just use food is equal to. Yeah, I don't get favorite food though. I choose Gary. I choose Gary. Now I want to print this in variable. Like now print my name is, then after that quotation mark we put spacebar, then comma to let us know that we are printing strings. Printing was in variable. When you see now, what happened in line 6? Oh, sorry, we forgot to have quotation mark. Sorry, that's one of the challenge you can meet in this Python. My name is the admin. Okay, then print my age. Don't forget the quotation mark is very important. My age my age is, then comma after the quotation mark, don't forget spacebar, then comma, then age. Then I'm studying, print I'm studying then after the quotation mark, it can be single quotation mark, it can be double. There's nothing, that one does not disturb the code. Then department, right? Then we move to my print. My favorite food is then food. I would just advise us that we do not avoid the theory aspect of it too. We have to understand how it works, understand basically everything about it, so that you will not be confused when you need what is going to guide you. So meet me in the next video, and what you are teaching next is input and output. How do you store data? How do you collect data from your audience and put it inside your variable to store it, then print it outside after everything. Then we learn f string too. Thank you very much. Before going to mathematics formula.